Okay, students, today we are here with chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, first of all, what is a linear equation? Any equation which can be written in the form variable and constant. Here 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. It is a linear equation in one variable. Why I am saying linear equation in one variable? Because here only one variable is used. Okay, here only one variable is used. So what is the linear equation of two variables? That we have done in class 9th. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. This is linear equation in two variable. How it is in linear equation two variable? This is x and y. Two variables are here. And this is a form of equation. When equal is there, so it is a form of equation. So what is a linear equation? Now, a linear equation is an equation that may be put in the form where are the variables and are the coefficients which are often real numbers. In mathematics, a linear equation that may be put in the form a1x1 plus a2x2 and so on, a and xn plus b is equals to 0. Now where x1, x2 and xn are variables. What are variables? Whose value can be changed. These are the quantities whose value can be changed. And a1, a2, a3 and so on and b are the coefficients which are often real numbers. These are the coefficients. Coefficients, we have done coefficient in polynomial chapter also. What are the coefficients? Got? So real numbers means constant terms. So what are the constant values? Whose value cannot be changed. Whose value cannot be changed. Constant. If 2 is there, so its value we cannot change. Its value will remain 2 only. Now pair of linear equation in two variable. If two equations, pair means we need a pair, means two. We need a set of two. If two linear equations have two same variables, they are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. For example, one equation I have written here. I can write next one. This is. So this is a set of equation, or we can say pair of equation. So pair of equation where two linear equation have two same variables, x and y. Both have x and y. It can be z and y. Anything it can be. So the two linear equation have two same variables. They are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. Generally, we used to write these equations in the form this. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers, such that this a should not be equal to 0 and b should not be equals to 0. C can be 0. Okay. Suppose I am writing an equation 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Here C is 0. So this is again a linear equation in two variable. Got? Now there are two methods to solve these pair of linear equation. First is a graphical method. Second is algebraical method. This graphical method also contains two systems, that is consistent and inconsistent system. See, conditions for graphical method. There are two types of system. Consistent system and inconsistent system. Consistent system means dependent. That depends. Means unique solution and infinitely many solution. If these two equations have any two pair of equation have solution, then it will be consistent. Unique solution means have only one solution. Only one solution. Infinitely many solution means you know that it can contain so many solutions. Okay. Now inconsistent system is no solution. Here equation have no solution. Okay. Now in this condition, if I talk about how to show if suppose you have given two equation. So how will you know that it is a unique solution? So how will you know? You will find out the ratios. Ratio of A1, A2, ratio of B1, B2, ratio of C1, C2. First of all, you will find out all the ratios. Then you will check, is A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2? Suppose if this condition is coming, so it means this is a unique solution. Got? It has a unique solution. Now, how we will tell graphically? So first of all, we will form graph for first equation. We will make a graph for the second equation. In the same graph, you will solve the both equation, and when lines are intersecting, intersection means this. When lines are intersecting, there is a single solution. Here you will get a single solution. It means this have a unique solution. So any equation, if it has a unique solution, that means the lines are intersecting. Got? Now second is infinitely many solution. Now again I told you, you have find out the ratios. So here, if ratios are equal, if all the ratios are equal, then the lines are coincident. What do you mean by coincident? Coincident means overlap. Both the lines will overlap. Got? Both the lines will overlap. Now, no solution. No solution. No solution. The ratios are, both the first ratios are equal, but the third ratio will not be equal. Third ratio will not equal. In that condition, you will say that lines are parallel. Okay. In this condition, you will say that lines are parallel. Let us take the example. First of all, in unique solution, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now, first of all, check the ratio. A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 3. B1 upon B2, that is 3 upon 4. Both are not equal. Now, there is no need to check. Next one. If these two are not equal, it means the line is intersecting. Okay. Infinitely many solution. Again, we will find out the ratios. All ratios are equal. We will simplify them. 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. It means it has an infinitely many solution and lines are coincident. Now in third one, we will check the ratios. 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 2 upon 4 and minus 4 upon 9. Now if you will simplify them, these two ratios are equal, but the third one is not equal. After simplifying, third one is not equal. It means there is no solution and lines are parallel.